Quick video to show you how to add and remove access codes to your linear AK-11 gate operator keypad. So I'm going to put onto the right side of the screen the commands that I'm using and show you how easy this is with just a few preset commands right on the keypad. So the first thing you need to do is get the keypad into operating mode for programming. You can do that by hitting #9# and then your 6-digit admin access code. What you're going to see is that this red light on the left will go out and both the lights are out. So now it's ready to accept commands. So in this case, I'm going to add a new code to relay 1. Remember, these linear access control pads have 2 relays in them, but I'm in this case set up just on relay number 1. So I'm going to do that by typing 01# and then type the new code that I want to enter into the system. In this case, I'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to hit pound, and then I'm going to confirm that code a second time, 1, 2, 3, 4, pound, and then I'm going to type 1, 0, and pound. And now that new code is entered into the system. If I want to delete a code, it's a very similar process. I'm going to start with a command of 02# to tell the system I'm going to delete a code. Then you type in the code that you want to delete. In this case, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, pound, and then I'm going to confirm that, 1, 2, 3, 4, pound. And that's going to delete that existing code out of the system. Now, at any point, if you messed up your typing in the middle of a command and you want to start over, just hit *9#, and that'll let you clear out what you're doing and start over again. And then when you're finally completed, you need to leave the admin mode so that it can go back to normal operation. And the way you do this is you just hit *, and then pound. So that's it. Hey, I hope this was helpful to you to learn more about how to access some of the programming in your linear AK-11 keypad. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.